That's good, my guys. How are you? ¿Cómo están todos ahí? It's time to install it to make it work with Wi-Fi. Hacerlo trabajar con Wi-Fi. So, to do this, you gotta first download the app. It's called HP Smart. Tienes que bajar la aplicación HP Smart. La bajan. Ya que la tienen bajada, y pues todo está listo, ya que pusieron la IN y el papel. Ya tienen la aplicación bajada. Pues vamos a agregarla. Es fácil. Te va a salir esto, mira. Al principio, ya que has bajado la aplicación, acéptalo. Ya que lo has aceptado, set new printer. Vas a tener que hacer una nueva cuenta. Y ya que has hecho esa nueva cuenta, te va a salir ya agregar agregar la printer en el signo más. Aprieta el signo más y ahí ya la agregas. Pero antes de apretar el signo más de agregar tú tienes que venir y sostener con estos dos dedos el X y este sostenido hasta que esta luz azul quede blinqueando. Ya eso quiere decir que ya tú estás buscando ya el Wi-Fi network, que ya estás activándolo. So ahí ya le das a la aplicación agregar printer, add printer. You feel me? Ya estando ahí ustedes van a ir aquí a agregar printer. Pero recuerden, antes de todo esto tú tienes que haber hecho el paso de tener los dos botones apretados. Remember, before all of this, to hold these two buttons. That way you're connected to the Wi-Fi. And this is the app. That's how it's gonna look. After you you verify your email and make your account, you know? So that's how it's gonna look your screen, your smart app, your HP Smart. And then, remember to have these two buttons holding, and then we gotta see flashing the light. When the light is flashing, release the buttons. And that's it. And now we're gonna do it. Check. We're gonna do it. We're gonna do it right now. Vamos a hacerlo de la luz. Look. Hold it. Los tengo sostenidos. Lo soltamos. Ahí lo vieron, ahí está flashando. Ahí es cuando ya tiene que estar ready para conectarlo con el Wi-Fi. You gotta go to add your printer. We go there, because it's ready to set up the printer with Wi-Fi. You know, we got the light flashing on, and that's good, that's good, that's good. Ya que estamos ready, now we are ready to add the printer. Let's go, add it, pressing here. Set it up the printer, a new printer, get started. How do you want to connect the printer? ¿Cómo la quieres conectar la printer? Vía Wi-Fi. Puedes con el cable, pero para usar el teléfono, desde el teléfono ligero, you do it by Wi-Fi. You can do it by internet cable. You know, but if you want to use the mobile and printer wherever you are, you have to do it by Wi-Fi. So we select Wi-Fi and continue. Place the printer on the surface, then plug it in the power arm. Connect your mobile device to your Wi-Fi network. You see what it say? You guys can read it? I left the screen so you can read it. Está bien, connect your mobile device to Wi-Fi. Si no lo tenemos conectado, tenemos que conectarlo. Connect your mobile device to the Wi-Fi network. Okay, we select our Wi-Fi. Okay, let's select our Wi-Fi. Searching for network. We got the network. Choose your network and go. Put your password. I'm already my network, so let's check again what it said. Let's go back to the application of the printer. Let's press continue. Allow is to find the connect and then terminar relative possession. Allow it. Tienen que darle permiso. Le dice allow, denle permiso para que sepa dónde estás. Using the location permiso is required to printer is set up. Dice que necesita saber la locación de dónde está la printer, de todo eso. So necesitamos prender la locación. Vamos a location al teléfono y la prendemos. Ya tenemos location activada. Desactivamos, volvemos a activarla. Ok, turn on location, turn on. Vamos de nuevo la aplicación. Vamos a intentarlo, dice, volver. Vamos a ver. Continue, right there. Solo ponle only esta vez, solo cuando uses la aplicación, solo cuando quieras printar, solo esta vez, para que solo esa vez se use tu ubicación, no todas las veces esté encendido. Y prendamos el Bluetooth, dice que tenemos que prender el Bluetooth también. So hay que encender el Bluetooth. Bluetooth on. So we are here right now. Let's go continue, press continue. Using OK, press OK, pressing OK. Now you're ready. Select the series, select that one. Select the series, selecciona esta series. Que esta es la de la 2752i, la serie. Now, enter your Wi-Fi password. Vamos a ponerlo. Now te va a salir esto, it's gonna show out this screen, so let's wait. Now, we gotta see this that is telling us that we gotta press this light. The one is flashing, you see? We gotta press it. When you see this message. We're still waiting. We look good, we're perfect, we continue. We are good. This means good, we are good already, connected. Now, almost, that's almost. Right, processing, let's wait. Be patient, you know. And thanks for watching my video, guys, always. Thanks. Subscribe to the channel, easy, man. Thumbs up, and that's it. You're gonna see this introducing HP Plus. What it's telling us? Prime for anywhere, anytime. This is active any trip. Do not accept this. Let's read it. Leanlo, si ustedes conviene. Accepten, read it. And if it's good for you guys, accept it. For me, I think it's not good. Prime for anywhere, anytime. Security with remote monitor. Mobile scanning and see free phone instantly. I think, no, I don't want this one now. Decline. Declínalo. Now, printer dynamic security. This printer is intended to work only with cartridge. Dice que esta printadora está hecha para que solo trabaje con tintas de ella y no otras cosas, ni que le pongan otras cosas así. ¿Me explico? So this, you guys are reading this, you can check. So let's press continue. Press continue. Oops. Right there, we got it. You see the light? It's not blinking no more, I told you, so that's a good thing. Welcome to your HP account. We got it. This is me, we are good, ready to fax, ready to print, make copies. Ready to make copies. Okay, let's see what it say. You guys can read it too. Vamos a ver qué dice y le voy a decir. Printer tiene 2 meses de libre gratis, la promoción que les había dicho. It's about the promotion. When you printer only automatic order more so. Remind me 2 weeks tomorrow. Okay. Yes, skip it. Skip offer. Skip all of that. Printer update, auto update. Update, auto update. Esto es para que se hagan los updates automáticamente. Come on, let's do it. Apply. Let's print a document. Vamos a printar un documento para que vea que ya está bueno. It says system restart, only take about, let's restart our phone. See, my printer is working now. Hell yeah, it's making the job. I did what I did, the steps that you were showing me. It was hard, but I know you can do it. I know you can do it, so come on. It's easy, try it, and I got it working now. You see, it's making my picture right now. It's making the copy, ready to work, ready to use. You know, guys, thanks for the watching me, and thanks for the time. Thank you. Bye, phone.